Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we explore the best and the most interesting products on the market. Today, we're looking at the Holstein Housewares HH-0914902RM Personal Single-Serve Blender in Metallic Red. Whether you're someone who loves to start their day with a quick smoothie, or you need a reliable, portable option for blending on the go, this blender promises to be your solution. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. The Holstein Housewares HH-0914902RM is designed for people who want simplicity and convenience in their blending routine. This personal blender comes with a 0.6-liter Tritan BPA-free travel cup, which is a great feature for those who need to blend and take their drink with them. The compact size of this blender makes it easy to store, and its sleek metallic red finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen counter. Now, what really sets this model apart from other single-serve blenders on the market is its easy-to-use design. With a pulse-on-off button, it's incredibly simple to get your drink to the perfect consistency. This blender is powered by a 250-watt motor, which is decent for a personal blender, and is designed to handle everything from fruits to ice. The cup lid includes a clip handle that allows you to attach it directly to your gym bag so you can take your smoothie or shake on the go without any hassle. Anti-slip rubber feet on the base keep the blender steady on your countertop while you're using it, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. Let's talk about real-world use. The setup is straightforward. No complicated instructions here. Simply attach the cup to the base and you're good to go. I gave it a test run with a variety of ingredients, from frozen berries to protein powder and ice, and I was pleasantly surprised with how well it blended. The 250-watt motor is enough to break down ingredients, but it's not as powerful as some higher-end models. The pulse function is simple and effective, giving you just the control you need to get the right texture. One thing I noticed is that while it does a good job with softer fruits like bananas and berries, it can struggle a little with harder ingredients like frozen mango or ice. It's not necessarily a deal breaker for most people, especially if you're using it for smoothies or protein shakes, but something to keep in mind if you plan to blend harder items regularly. When it comes to portability, the Holstein Housewares blender really shines. The 0.6-liter travel cup is perfect for single servings, and the fact that the lid includes a clip handle is a thoughtful touch. I've found this feature handy when heading to the gym or on the road. The anti-slip rubber feet also make sure that the blender stays securely in place while you're blending, which adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. But no product is without its drawbacks. One area where this blender could be improved is its overall power. While the 250-watt motor is adequate for most light blending tasks, it might struggle with more dense ingredients like frozen vegetables or large chunks of fruit. The cup size, while great for a single serving, might feel a bit small for anyone looking to make larger batches. If you need to blend multiple servings, you'll need to do them one at a time. The lid design is simple, but it could be more secure to prevent any leaks, especially if you're carrying it around in a bag. Value for money is always a key factor when deciding whether a product is worth your investment. The Holstein Housewares HH-0914902RM is priced affordably, and considering the features, it offers a good value for its price point. It's not going to be as powerful or durable as high-end blenders, but for someone who wants a quick, easy-to-use personal blender for smoothies, shakes, or even small batches of soup, it does the job. Compared to other personal blenders in the same price range, this one stands out with its travel-friendly features, like the clip-on handle and anti-slip feet. When comparing it to other personal blenders on the market, it's important to keep the power factor in mind. For example, models like the Ninja Nutri Pro offer more power for a similar price range, but they don't come with the same portability features as the Holstein Housewares blender. However, if you need something more powerful and plan on blending tougher ingredients regularly, those options might be better suited for you. As for build quality, the blender feels solid and well constructed. The Tritan BPA-free travel cup is durable and provides peace of mind if you're concerned about plastic. The motor feels sturdy, and the overall design is compact and practical. In terms of longevity, while I haven't had it for a long period, based on my experience and the reputation of the brand, this blender should hold up fairly well over time, especially if used for its intended purpose of light, everyday blending. Customer support from Holstein Housewares is a mixed bag. While I didn't have to contact them directly, the brand has generally received decent reviews for their customer service. In case you need help, you can expect reasonable response times, though it's always a good idea to check out the warranty or return policy if you're concerned about issues down the line. Now, wrapping things up, the Holstein Housewares HH-0914902RM personal single-serve blender does exactly what it's designed to do. It's a compact, easy-to-use blender that's perfect for someone looking to blend a quick smoothie or shake on the go. It's not the most powerful option on the market, but its portability and simple design make it a solid choice for everyday use. Right. If you're someone who just needs a single-serve blender for personal use and doesn't plan on blending frozen foods or tough ingredients too often, this is a great option. For the price, it delivers a good balance of functionality and convenience. However, if you're looking for more power or a larger blending capacity, you might want to look into other models. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in picking up the Holstein Housewares blender, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with the product. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more to discover right here at Reviews Inside TV.